Watch. Thank you. Let me loosen it a little. What? I thought the air show's not until September.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Might be a practice run.
Free advertisement.
What they should do is advertise by the planes pulling the banners for the air show, because that'd just be awesome.
No, their banner should be something salty like, come see a real show or something. We can stay on.
And exit to the left and rear of the station. Thank you for riding the Great White and enjoy the rest of your stay here.
As long as someone's not in your thing, you can stay.
Push down and pull up on your push down and pull up.
You're okay.
Push and pull exit under the left.
You can stay.
Push down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, rotate.
Rotate. No aşağı buradan bir yapı oldu görsek. Should be in that direction.
Riders, welcome to Morey's Piers Great White. Please carefully enter the train and place all loose articles into the cabinets on the exit side of the platform. Once you are seated, pull down on your lap bar. As our attendants approach, please raise your hands over your head so we can properly check your restraints. Please make sure you are sitting upright, facing forward with your back against the seat back, and hold on until the ride comes to a complete stop. Keep your arms and legs inside the train and remain fully seated at all times. Cell phones are not permitted to be used at any time during the ride. If you take a cell phone out once in motion, we will stop the ride. Thank you for riding safely and enjoy your ride on the Great White.
All clear?
All clear means you're out of.
Dispatch.
I don't know why I memorized that thing.
Probably know that version.
Goodbye. Enjoy your ride. Bye-bye.
Ah, he's from Romania. Romania, Egypt. triage this side.
What? That's not happening?
Yeah. Hey, why does that keep happening? Thank you. They used to do helicopter tours here.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure that's what that's for. Also, that space is a very small landing space with just poles and fence there.
I'm ready to go to Avalon. If you want to like ride Sea Serpent or something and that's it and head out. I know you want to do spring shot. So go, we can try. Get my fat ass in it. Let's just do this one last time.
What?
Yeah, one more and done. Yeah, so it's even. 4.
Thank you for riding the Great White and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Pier.
That's okay to talk about it.
New riders, welcome to Morey's Pier's Great White. Please carefully enter the train and place all loose articles into the cabinets on the exit side of the platform. Once you are seated, pull down on your lap bar. As our attendants approach, please raise your hands over your head so we can properly check your restraint. Please make sure you are sitting upright.
That way
Forward
or this
with
way?
your back against the seat back and hold
Thank you.
on until the ride comes to a complete stop. Keep your arms inside the train and remain fully seated at all times. Cell phones are not permitted to be used at any time during the ride. If you take a cell phone out once in motion, we will
Thank
stop
you.
the ride. Thank you for riding safely and enjoy the ride on the Great White.
Thank you.
It's a weird thing. It's like it click, but then you gotta like an extra like pop. This is fun. They also always have like the most awesome people work the event. They must like have a set of people that they really like. Because if you look, they all have, most of them have stars and things. Maybe they have a friend. You got the all clear. That means you're out of here. What is that even from?
Which you should pay for like 2 hours of parking after.
Yeah. Bye. This is my favorite part. Ready? Ah! I'm good now.
What's the restaurant owner's name again?
Marco,
Marco. That's right.
not Rubio.
No. No.
Just Mark. Woo! Again, can you re-triage me? Mike, triage, quickly. Because it hates me.
That one fell off.
It's fine.
Just take it off and get it off like you did on purpose.
Yes. I won't use this one. I don't know what brand this one is. Ah, that's why.
Huh?
This is Shein's one. This isn't the real one. This is China's GoPro. Why? There's no one in the station. I'm taking it off. I wanna ride again. Well, there's no one here. Why not? But taking this off.
Station. Thank you for riding the Great White and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers.